How to store files online securely within OperaDDS. In the Course tab, select Lockbox. Within this page, select New Lockbox. Give it a name, a description. You may share it with other companies. If you would not like to share this, simply leave blank and click Save and Continue. You have now created your first lockbox. Now it's time to add some files. You may drag and drop or select from your computer. Once the file has been uploaded, the page will refresh. You have now created and uploaded your first lockbox. Other areas within this section are edit sharing. You may add or remove other companies, delete the lockbox, add new folders, or generally view your information. This information may be viewed on any device. If you are to go back to your lockbox, you will now see your newly created Saved Files lockbox. Thank you for watching. Until the next video.